We might have to move on. Do you think we should move on? Jay, should we move on? Huh? I'm moving on. It's too windy and we're on the edge of a cliff. The van was very rocking. We're not we're not risking it. So it goes far. Too windy. We'll come back here tomorrow. But it's not windy. They're still building on here. So, the military road on the Isle of Wight always windy. So, I'll let you know when we're there. Hi guys, in a better place now. It's called Ventnor. So after all that drama from my husband, it was really windy there. I wasn't prepared to stay there. The van was rocking too much. Couldn't believe how rocking it was. So I've got the weekend off. I need it, you know. Sometimes you just need that time off. And now hopefully it's free parking today because it's a thing to get Ventnor moving, because there's loads of roadblocks off and people, it says it's been a nightmare coming in and out of Ventnor. So we haven't found it too bad. But take advantage of free parking. We do spend money in Ventnor. So bit early, it's 7 o'clock. When your van starts rocking too much, that means it's time to go, isn't it? So on the Isle of Wight, it does get very windy. When the wind blows, it blows. So there's really nice views. You can see it. Quite a good view there. There's other camper vans in the car park. I think they live here because never leave. There's been people in them. So, hope everyone's having a wonderful Saturday. We'll probably be going back to bed in a minute. Cup tea. Life of a van life, eh? Always chasing for that parking space. So, I'm so tired. So tired. Kelly's boiling. Hopefully, cost of living will go down now. A bit more money in their pockets. Oh God. Oh. Is that gonna boil? Is it boiling? Need to take all this down and have some light little shelves. I always leave it on a few whistles to make sure it's lovely. Always do it over when I'm filming. So I hope everyone is alright. Oh God, that wind last night. Thought it was going to go over. I really did thought it was going to go over. It's normally not bad in July. So we have to get ready for winter in August. Get a diesel heater. My husband doesn't want us to get a generator, but I'm overruling him. We're having a generator. Yeah, like I said, I'm overruling my husband. In bed, nice cook. Right, got a nice cup of tea, back into bed after we move. And still same crap on TV. Right, we're going to go now, finish our cups of teas and probably go back to sleep. Bye.